bonus, doing nickels, 375. Let's see if it's any good. Oh, nice. Oh, that's such a good number. Holy crap. It's big numbers. Oh, give me more big numbers. Oh, not the mini. Oh my gosh, I love it when there's big numbers. All right, that's it. Hey, that's really good for a first spin. Look at that, 350 on spin number 1. That was killer. All right, let's do it all. 5 more times. Fish. All right. Almost a $400 bonus. I will take it. Alrighty, I've got a weird glare on this, but we're doing, got rid of it. Max bet on Buffalo Gold. Here we go. Go for some coins right about now. Oh man, that helps. Oh, that's gonna be a good one. 72 for that. Oh, that's good. That means I get my $100 back I put into this machine. There we go. That gets me to 7. Nice. Another 72. And we're down to our last spin. Get it. Oh man. Hey, that's not bad off of 13 spins. Alright, let's see how my luck is on Can. This game's running a little bit slow. Alright, let's do the 1 spin at 2x. Minor and 37.50. I don't know if that's times 2. Yeah, it is. 119. Hey, not bad. All right, 124.66. That's a short and sweet bonus. All right, here we go with Wealth Rush. This is an interesting one. 250 is the max bet here. We're looking for 3 of the gold symbols on the first reel, and that gets us the bonus. You'll see it when they pop up, and then those wilds can open up the chest, which it just opened. So these are my progressives. Would not mind that grand. So purple and red are the good ones. Of course. Well, one day. But the bonus on this is actually pretty unique here. And 250 is max bet on this. Oops. Oh, you can see the glowing symbol right there. We want those to fill up the entire first reel. Got it. Nice. All right. So this is a fun game. You get 5 spins, and you want more of the reels to fill up with gold, and it turns them wild. You'll see what it means. Come on, wilds. Oh, darn it. Darn it. You need the whole reel to be wild. No. Last shot. Well, that was not a very good showing on it. The bonus can extend if you can keep getting more wild reels. I've had one bonus that kept going and kept going. It's a fun little bonus. It's got good potential. Let's do a few more spins here. Oh, shoot. We'll stop here at 75. Last shot. Not today, but at least we saw a couple bonuses. Okay, these are dimes. I got a mini for $100. Let's see if I can get some more. Those spins go by so fast, but I'll take it. This is what, a couple $100? Almost, 197.50, that was good. All right, let's hope for a good one. Cross your fingers, everyone. Oh. $60. You got it. My friend just hit like a $600 hit on Wild Wild Samurai next to me. He's now seeing the power of these games. Oh my God, so good. Darn it. He about crapped his pants there. He's so excited. I want $600. Oh, get it, get it, get it. Come on now. Come on. That's a good one. How much is that? Like 400? 440. Hey, side by side, looking pretty good. All right, he still beat me with that 673 is what he got. See if I can beat him. last shot. All right, hey, not bad. That's a 100x bonus, 110x, nice. Okay, I'm gonna do 10 spins at each bet level, and let's see if I can make a profit. All right, I'm gonna do the 10 spins at each bet level. Here we go. Number 10 here. All right, we're moving up to $1 now. Spin 10. We'll move up to $1.50. There we go. Let's spin 5.